In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure your ad campaign with HubSpot. This guide is perfect if you're looking to optimize your marketing strategy using HubSpot's tools. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refine their skills, you'll find this roadmap helpful, so let's dive in. First things first, you want to navigate to your trial guide on HubSpot. To do this, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and enter the HubSpot URL in the address bar. Once there, sign into your account using your credentials. You're now on the trial guide page. This is your starting point, kind of like the headquarters for your marketing endeavors. This place is filled with resources to guide you, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Now, we'll head over to the marketing section. Look for the tab labeled Marketing, which is usually positioned along the top navigation bar. Clicking on this will take you to a new page where you can manage and view all your marketing efforts. This area is a hub, pardon the pun, for everything related to your marketing campaigns. Make sure to keep it organized and regularly updated. Next up is where the magic really starts happening, creating and managing your ads. You'll need to click on the Ads option under the Marketing section. This will lead you to the Ads page where you can see all your current and past ad campaigns at a glance. It's handy for a quick overview and to make decisions about reallocating budget or identifying trends. Here, organization is key. Keeping your ad campaign streamlined will help you maintain clarity and focus on what works best for your marketing objectives. After you're on the Ads page, click on Get Started with Ads. This will bring you into the setup phase if it's your first time, or otherwise it will show you the options to create a new ad campaign. For those new to HubSpot, the Get Started link provides an onboarding experience that's quite intuitive. HubSpot does a remarkable job of guiding you through the main steps, offering tips and best practices in a user-friendly format. Utilizing these steps will get you well on your way to structuring effective ad campaigns that are seamlessly integrated into your broader marketing strategy. Remember, the success of your ad campaigns often hinges on clear objectives, consistent monitoring, and tweaking based on performance analytics. So, take some time to review your results regularly and make necessary adjustments for better outcomes. Thanks for tuning in, and happy marketing!